Hey there, welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. If you're here, you're probably dealing with a frustratingly leaky bathtub faucet. Not only is it annoying, but it can also waste water and increase your utility bills. Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix it yourself. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. First, turn off the water supply to prevent any mess. Look for the shut-off valves near your bathtub or turn off the main water supply to your house. Then, open the faucet to drain any remaining water. Step 2. Remove the faucet handle. Next, remove the faucet handle. Use a screwdriver to loosen the screw. Sometimes it's hidden under a decorative cap. Gently pry it off with a flathead screwdriver if needed. Step 3. Inspect the valve stem. Once the handle is off, you'll see the valve stem. Use your wrench to unscrew and remove it. Take a good look. This is where leaks often happen. Check for worn or damaged washers or O-rings. If you see cracks or wear, that's likely the culprit. Step 4. Replace the washer or valve stem. To replace a washer, unscrew the old one and install a new one of the same size. If the entire valve stem is damaged, take it to your hardware store to find a matching replacement. Step 5. Reassemble and test. Before putting everything back together, apply a small amount of plumber's grease to the threads and O-rings to ensure a smooth fit. Wrap the threads with Teflon tape to prevent leaks. Attach the valve stem, screw on the handle, and turn the water supply back on. Check for any leaks by turning the faucet on and off a few times. Fixing a leaky bathtub faucet is easier than it seems, and it can save you money in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.